Okay, so let us start with the next part in proportion. I think yesterday we had done a few, I had explained you the concept of proportion. So today we are going to learn about the properties of proportion. So when we talk about properties, the first property which they have given over here is, we know that the product of means is equal to product of extremes. Okay, that we have understood yesterday as well. By cross multiplication you can write it down as AD is equal to BC. Now when we talk about alternando, invertendo and componendo, okay, Ata if you observe in your school, you were in which board? SSC board? So SSC board people in 9th standard, you must have learnt about these all properties of ratio. Invertendo. So basically, as the name suggests, if A upon B is our ratio, what will be its invertendo? If our ratio is A upon B, so basically A upon B is equal to C upon D. If we apply invertendo, when we apply invertendo, the denominator becomes the numerator and vice versa. This is invertendo. Then when we talk about alternando, A upon B is equal to C upon D. This is our original ratios in proportion. We can write it down as A upon C is equal to B upon D as well. So alternando, this is called as alternando because these two places are exchanged, B and C. Okay, this is alternando. Now next is, so if you see here, alternando A upon C is equal to B upon D. When we talk about componendo, componendo is what? Componendo is nothing but A upon, so basically when we talk about componendo, we have to add 1 in componendo. Always remember, add 1. Okay. So when you add 1, what will you get? A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. So that is your componendo. When they talk about dividendo, you have to subtract minus 1. So A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. Please write it down because all these are these properties are very important. You should be able to understand. Is it visible? Shall I increase the font? Now it's okay. So now when we talk about dividendo, you have to subtract minus 1 from both the sides. And when you apply componendo, dividendo together, okay, so in that case what you are going to do? You are going to do both the steps together. So A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. This is called as componendo dividendo. Together. Componendo म्हणजे काय? Add 1. Dividendo म्हणजे subtract 1. Componendo dividendo together म्हणजे addition and subtraction has to be done at the same time. ठीक है? So A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. This is componendo dividendo together. ठीक है? And the last is addendo. Addendo म्हणजे काय? All the numerators are added upon all the denominators, they are also added. त्याला म्हणायचं addendo. Subtrahendo is subtract. Subtract the numerator, subtract the denominators. That is subtrahendo. Okay, so now I think we will directly go to exercise 1B. While doing the exercise, I will explain you things. Okay? Total sums are 30 sums. We will try to solve all of them today. I want us to finish this part today so that we can start with indices next time. Okay? So now I will give you 4 minutes to solve 5 questions. Check whether you can solve 5 questions, first 5 questions, and then I am going to discuss them. Okay, please start doing. We will be discussing in a bit. So basically when you apply alternando, componendo, dividendo, few sums are based on those properties as well. So while solving them, we are going to discuss the properties again. So fourth proportional manje we don't know the fourth term. So 4 upon 6 is equal to 8 upon x. Exercise 1b. So cross multiply, 4x will be 8 into 6. Okay. गेलंच का आता? Great. हां, एक नीट दिसत नाही आहे, म्हणजे ही वायरच लूज झाली आहे. ओके. Just a minute. Let me check what is the problem. So first answer आलं की मला सांग. 4 upon 6 is equal to 8 upon x. Find out the value of x. थांबा. हॅलो, अगं ते वायर मी परत एकदा जॉईन केली, कारण ते दिसत नाही आहे USB व्हिडिओ तू म्हणालीस ना, तर ते तसं हे पेंटच झालं, आता ते दिसतच नाही आहे, एकच USB व्हिडिओ दिसत आहे. तर काय करू? लावली परत लावली आहे, पण ते दिसायला पाहिजे ना, ते दिसत नाही आहे. म्हणजे ते हां तेच करते, पण दिसत नाही आहे, एकदम स्क्रीन ब्लँक झाली आहे. आणि हे मी पूर्ण काढून परत लावलं आहे ती. हां, हे असं जरा त्याचं काहीतरी करायला पण हवं आहे अगं, कारण ते ना सारखं हे होत आहे. ठीक आहे, ये हां हा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय ह्याचा. There are unsaved changes. Do you want to keep them? Discard. एक आता ते दिसतंय पण ते खूप लाइटर नोटवर दिसतंय. ठीक आहे. सो काय आलं पहिल्याचा आन्सर? ऑप्शन ए. Okay, so now fourth proportional, 4 upon 6 is equal to 8 upon x. So you have to cross multiply. So 4x will be 8 into 6. Therefore x will be equal to 12. So that is option A for question number 1. That's correct. So now let us go to question number 2. The third proportional to 12 by 18. Third proportional यानी क्या? 12 upon 18 is equal to 18 upon x. That means 18 is a continued proportion. So 12 upon 18 is equal to 18 upon x. Cross multiply, find out the value of x. Now it is visible. आहे का ग विजिबल दिसतंय का तुला? आणि हे पण दिसतंय का बघ? हां. सो आता कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन आहे. सो 12 अपॉन 18 इज इक्वल टू 18 अपॉन एक्स. हां. सो क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. एक्सची व्हॅल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू 18 इंटू 18 अपॉन 12. सो आन्सर इज, मी आत्ता तुला जस्ट मेसेज केला. हे बहीच्या समोर आत्ता जस्ट झालं. पण काही नाही, ह्याला एवढंच करावं लागतं आणि थांबावं लागतं इन बिटवीन. सो आय थिंक आय विल वेट. कारण काहीच दुसरं होत नाही आहे. म्हणजे असं अचानक ते दिसतंय. हे बघा आता. हां, आता दिसतंय. म्हणजे अचानक ते त्याचंच रिसेट होत आहे. तर मी काय म्हणते, प्रॉब्लेम ह्या वायरमध्ये आहे का त्या ह्याच्यात आहे, HDMIच्या ह्याच्यात? मला असं वाटतंय ते तिकडनं, हे बघ हे ना, आता मी हलवत नाही पण ते तिकडनं लूज होत आहे सारखं. म्हणजे थोड्या वेळाने काय होतं, माझं हे मुवमेंटनी मी काहीतरी हल्ले की ते हे होतं आहे. आय हॅव टू जस्ट सिट स्टिल. आता असं बघते तर मी तुला लगेच म्हणून फोन करत होते. हां, काय नाही येणार आता. येस, थँक्यू. Okay, so this is question number 2. Answer is 27. Option B. Option B. So now let us move on to question number 3. So now in question number 3, mean proportional between 25 and 81. So you know B square is equal to AC. Huh? So B square is equal to 25 times 81. So in order to calculate B, how will you calculate it? Square root of 25 into 81. So that is going to be 45. Correct? B की वैल्यू आई है 45. Option C. Option C for question number 3. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. So let us check the question. The number which has same ratio to 26, that 6 has to 13. So x upon 26 is equal to 6 upon 13. So again cross multiply, value of x is going to be 6 into 26 upon 13. Answer is going to be equal to 12. Now next sum, 12 यानी option will be none of these. For the fourth one, answer is none of these. Let us move to the fifth. Fourth proportional to 2a, a square and c. So 2a, a square, c upon x. So x can be written as a square c upon 2a. ठीक है? So it is going to be ac upon 2. Correct? So याचा आन्सर आहे ac upon 2, option A for question number 5. So now let us go to the next part. These are very easy sums, so I am going a bit fast. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon x are proportional. So there are 4 ratios. So 1 upon 2 by 1 by 3. So let us write it down. One upon 2 by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 by 1 by x. So 1 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon 15. So 2x is equal to 15. So x will be equal to 15 upon 2 will be the value of x. So option is option which is the correct option? Option C. Correct. Answer is 15 by 2, option C for question number 6. Now let us solve question number 7. The mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square. So in order to find out the value of b, xy तो रहेगा and square root of 12 into 27. That will give you b. So now if you observe 4 into 3 na? So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 raised to 4 into 2 चा square. So it will be 2 into 3 square. बरोबर? So 18xy will give you the value of b. Square root है ना? So 12 can be written as 4 into 3 and 27 is 3 times 3. ठीक है? So answer is 18xy, option A for question number 7. So write it down. Understand it. If you don't understand, do let me know. I hope I am audible, visible. Now next sum. If A is equal to B by 2, that is equal to C by 5. So A upon 1 is equal to B upon 2 is equal to C upon 5. So what is the value of A is to B is to C? So tell me what is the value? 1 is to 2 is to 3. Orally पण सांगता येईल हे. A च्या खाली कोणी नाही आहे म्हणजे A upon 1 आहे. इथे B upon 2 आहे. C upon 5 आहे. So A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 5. Option C for question number 8. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 9. If A upon 3 is B upon 4 is C upon 7, then find out what is this. So basically इथे त्यांनी apply काय केलाय? कॉम्पोनेंडो अप्लाय केला आहे. A प्लस बी प्लस सी म्हणजे सगळे न्यूमरेटर्स ऍड केलेत. हे तुम्ही के च्या मेथडनी पण आपण करू शकतो. के ची मेथड मी शिकवली आहे काल. सेम मेथड इज ऍप्लिकेबल हियर ऑल्सो. सो A upon 3 is equal to B upon 4. We will do it. So a upon 3 is equal to b upon 4 is equal to c upon 7. Let this all be equal to k. So a ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय सबस्टिट्यूट करतो 3k, b ची व्हॅल्यू is 4k, c ची व्हॅल्यू is 7k. So they have told us to find out a plus b plus c upon c. Okay, so substitute करायच्या values. So 3k plus 4k plus 7k comes out to be equal to 14k upon 7k. Answer is 2. So that is option C for question number 9. 9 का आंसर है ऑप्शन C. Now let us do the 10th one. Now P upon Q equal to R upon S is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. They have told us to find out the value of PS by QR. (1.5) करेक्ट. आणि PS अपॉन QR फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला. वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट PS इज टू QR. सो आता हे टाइप ऑफ सम कसं करता येईल. PS अपॉन QR म्हणजे मी हे आता आपल्याला R अपॉन S ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे 2.5 अपॉन 1.5. सो मी S अपॉन R 1.5 इंटू 2.5 करू शकते बाय ऑल्टरनेंडो, सॉरी बाय इन्व्हर्टेंडो, इन्व्हर्ट केलंय मी. सो PQ अपॉन SR म्हणजे PQ इंटू SR काय येईल 2.5 अपॉन 1.5 इंटू 1.5 अपॉन 2.5. सो आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू ऑप्शन म्हणजे 1 अपॉन 1 येणार. So this is going to be option B. For question number 10, answer is option B. So K method, जेव्हा जेव्हा असे type of sums येतील, you have to find out the values, त्यावेळेला K method वापरायची. Otherwise you can use this method. Is Devraj online? If you are online, do let me know. We have started with exercise 1B. We have discussed the properties, just discussed the properties. I am going to explain them and we are going to solve the problems. So we have finished with question number 10. Now let us do the next sum. Now in the next sum what they have given is x upon y is equal to z upon w. Both values are 2.5 upon 1.5. You have to find out the value of x plus z upon y plus w. Again the K method. Use the K method, tell me the answer. Use the K method, tell me the answer. So I have used the K method. Now find out what is x plus y, x plus z into y plus w. So 2.5 plus 2.5. So that becomes 5. The numerator and denominator part K will get cancelled. So 5 by 3 will be the answer. Correct? So that is nothing but option C. So 11 का आंसर है option C. Option C for question number 11. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Now 12th में again 5x minus 3y upon 5y minus 3x. This ratio is given to us as 3 by 4. We have to find the value of x upon y. So cross multiply करू शकतो आपण आणि आपण we can take it in the form of x upon y. So multiply करो, multiply each and every term. So as you can see, 20x minus 12y is equal to 15y minus 9x. Okay. So we will take x terms on one side and y terms on the other. So 29x is equal to 27y. So x upon y will be equal to 27 upon 29. So that is going to be nothing but option none of these. Option is going to be D, none of these. Please write down the methods. Methods are very, very important. Okay. So while doing the practice, solve it by using this method only. It will give you a good practice. Now let us go to question number 13. A upon B is 3 by 2, B upon C is 3 by 5. You have to find out A is to B is to C. Can we say A, B, C are in continued proportion? Check and tell me. So हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to try to make the value of B equal. When can we say they are in continued proportion? When the value of B is equal. Huh? So काय करणार मी? I am going to multiply first ratio by multiply first ratio by 1 by 3. So basically आपण काय करूया? We can do it like this. First convert it म्हणजे like by alternando I can write this like this. Then what I am going to do? I am going to multiply both sides by 1 by 3. So A upon 9 will be equal to B upon 6. Understood up till here? Similarly, B upon 3 is nothing but C upon 5 by alternando. Again, I am going to multiply by 1 by 2 to both sides. So 9 is to 6 is to 10. A is to B is to C. So in order to make it into continued proportion, we have multiplied first ratio. First we have done alternando, multiply first ratio by 1 by 3. Take the second ratio, take alternando, multiply both sides by 1 by 2. So in this way we have found out the same value of B. So we say they are in continued proportion. So A is to B is to C is 9 is to 8, 6 is to 8. So the answer is going to be none of these. 9 is to 6 is to 10. So answer is A. A for question number 13. Now let us go to question number 14. Okay, are you understanding? Am I going too fast? Now in question number 13, we have done with question number 13. Let us go to question number 14. X upon 2 is equal to Y upon 3 is equal to Z upon 7. That is equal to K. By using the method of K, find out the value and let me know. Tell me what will be the answer for this question. Okay. So solve it by the method of K. So X is equal to 2K, Y is equal to 3K, Z is equal to 7K. Substitute it in the given format, that is 2x minus 5y plus 4z upon 2y. Tell me what is the answer. So 2x minus 5y plus 4z So I think the answer is going to be equal to, correct. So that is option D. Option D for question number 14. Answer is option D. Now let us do question number 15. X upon y is 2 by 3, y upon z is 4 by 3. You have to find out x is to y is to z. Again, first you will do alternando, then you will try to make the same value and prove that they are in continued proportion, and then find out the value of x is to y is to z. So tell me what is the value. X upon 2 is equal to y by 3. Multiply both sides by 1 by 4. So x upon 8 will be equal to y by 12. Now take the second ratio of y by 4 is z by 3. Multiply by 1 by 3. Again you will get y by 12 is equal to z by 9. So the value of x is going to be 8, y is going to be 12, and z is going to be 9. So answer is D for question number 15. Check whether you are getting D. Yes. So now in question number 15, what we are going to do? Alternando. Take alternando for the first ratio. So 8 upon 2 is equal to y by 3. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply both sides by 1 by 4. So x by 8 is 4 by y by 12. This is our first ratio. Second ratio का भी मैंने I have taken alternando. So y by 4 is z by 3. I am going to multiply both sides by 1 by 3. So y by 12 is going to be z by 9. So if you check, y की value same है. They are in continued proportion. So x is to y is to z will be 8 is to 12 is to 9. 8 is to 12 is to 9, that is option D. Huh? हल्ली का वायर. असं एव्हरी टाईम होतं का नाही? नाही होत आहे, माझ्याच ह्याला होतं आहे. आणि सायली मॅम पण इथे घेतात ना? Okay, try to solve sum number 16. 15 I'll show you in some time. Division of rupees 750 into 3 parts in the ratio 4:5:6. So 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 750. 4x plus 5x हे बघ, हा जो पार्ट आहे ना, हाच हे झालाय. ओके, सो ह्याचा आन्सर आलं का बाय एनी चान्स? काका नाही आहेत ना बाहेर? एकदा बघतेस का? महादेव काका आहेत का? जस्ट एकदा बघ बरं. बर, ओके. हे जे नेक्स्ट सम आहे ते केलंस का? डिव्हिजन ऑफ 750 इंटू 3 पार्ट्स. हे बघ इथे हे येतं आहे पण ते लूज कनेक्शनमुळे इट इज गोईंग अगेन. हे तर बाहेरच निसटल्यासारखं होत आहे. आय होप झालं का. नेक्स्ट सम डिव्हिजनचं 15th आय शो यू पण 16 झालंय का. काय आला आन्सर. हॅलो सगळंच गेलं आता काहीच नाही आहे म्हणजे ॲक्टिवेट डिॲक्टिवेट करून झालं परत ते जातच आहे. तर आय थिंक पाठव. हां काकांना पाठव. हां सो त्याचा आन्सर काय आला म्हणलीस तू. सो 11 + 4 म्हणजे 15x इज इक्वल टू 750 म्हणजे 30 आली एक्सची व्हॅल्यू. सो 30नी प्रत्येकाला मल्टिप्लाय केलं ना का काय. 16th मध्ये 4 + 5 + 6 किती आले 15x. 15x इज इक्वल टू 750. 5 जा 75. सो एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 50 आली. So 4 into 5 is 200, 250, 300. Option A for question number 16. Option A for question number 16. Now let us do question number 17. The sum of ages of 3 persons is 150. 10 years ago, म्हणजे 10 वर्षांपूर्वी, okay, their ages were in the ratio 7:8:9. Find out their present ages. So आता बेसिकली हे वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम सुरू झालेत ऑफ प्रपोर्शन. ठीक आहे. सो काय काय करावं लागेल सांग बरं. जस्ट बाय रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन काय काय कळतंय. समजा त्यांचं ओरिजिनल आपल्याला एजेस दिले आहेत 7:8:9 ना, 10 years अगोचे. ओके, तो जे आपण 7x 8x आणि 9x समजा धरलं. सो प्रेझेंट एजेस त्यांचे काय काय असतील. 7x + 10, 8x + 10 अँड 9x + 10. हे लूजन अप होत आहे. ठीक आहे. सो 7x + 10 + 8x + 10 + 9x + 10 त्यांची ॲक्च्युअल ॲडिशन इज 150. सो कर बरं. 7x + 8x + 9x + 30 इज इक्वल टू 150. सॉल्व टू फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x. म्हणजे आपल्याला त्यांचे प्रेझेंट एजेस फाइंड आउट करता येतील. सो टेल मी व्हॉट आन्सर विल यू गेट. काका गेलो होय, बघा बरं. दिसतच नाही आहे बघा मी तिथे. तर ते जे आहे ना ते लूज झालं आहे, ते एकदा लावून बघा बरं तुम्हाला जमतंय का. हां, हे बघा, हे जे ह्याला कनेक्टेड आहे ना ही वायर, हां ते लूज होत आहे ना, त्याच्याचमुळे ते बसत नाही आहे. त्याला खाली असं काही आपल्याला असं लावून ठेवता येतो, बॉक्स वगैरे लावता येतं का बघा, म्हणजे ते तसंच्या तसं राहील असं. हा बघा इथे वरचा एक बॉक्स आहे ना, हा हिरवा, पण ते कळत नाही आहे, ते निघतंय त्याच्यामुळे ते सारखं हे होत आहे. हां, फिट बसलं पाहिजे. हां, तुझं एज आलं की सांग. हां, म्हणजे एक्सची व्हॅल्यू आली की सांग. आता करून बघते. नाही, आता हे बघा, हे अजूनही असं फेंट दिसतंय. डार्क दिसलं ना की ते झालं कनेक्ट. ते नाही होत आहे, ते लूज 30 झालं 120. ठीक आहे. आणि मग एक्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट नाही केली, कर ना मग. 7 + 8 + 9 तुला ॲड करावे लागेल. सेवन + 8 + 9